This Indonesian chicken chain is supposed to do the spiciest chicken. It's called Richeese. They have a bunch of locations all over Bali and Indonesia. This is level 5 chicken, which is the spiciest. And then this is rice. 2 pots of cheese. Never had cheese with fried chicken before. This is the pink lava drink. I don't know why it's called pink lava, but it's pink and it has ice cubes. Oh, that's why it's called lava. The ice cubes are the lava rocks. Napkins. Supposed to be Indonesia's spiciest fried chicken. They don't give you knives and forks, which I read on a review online. So I have my own thing. This is a fork with a knife on it and a spoon on the other end, and a bottle opener and a tin opener. Okay. I really hope this lives up to the level 5 spiciness. That kicks. That definitely gives you a kick. And it really lasts as well. It's definitely not the spiciest chicken I've ever had. That award goes to Muchachos in South Africa. Muchachos is like the biggest thing I miss about South Africa. It was my favourite food ever. I always feel like restaurants in Asia nod and say, yeah, level 5 spicy. And then they probably give me like level 2. Because I always feel like Asian people are stereotypically meant to handle spice. But this is like not that spicy. This is easy. Trying the cheese. It's just normal cheese. I've never had cheese with fried chicken before. It seems like an odd combination. I think the cheese goes better with the rice than the chicken. Richeese is very busy. Almost 10 o'clock on a Sunday night and Richeese is full. I think there's about 11 delivery drivers at the main area, then down this side, a couple sitting outside. I think from getting in the door to getting the food was about 35 minutes, so quite a while. For this late on a Sunday night, that's very surprising, but it just means people like the food. I feel bad for the delivery drivers who have to wait like 30 minutes just to collect their order, because they're supposed to be working. They need to work, they need to make money, but they're just sat there waiting. Okay. Pink lava time. It reminds me of something, but I just can't remember what. It's not a strawberry or something, but it's like a milky pink. I don't know. I can't think of what to describe it as, but it's nice. I would give this 7 out of 10 for food, but I had to wait like 40 minutes to way too long. Because of that, 5 out of 10. Oh, also the screens for ordering weren't working, so maybe take that down another point.